Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about a $50,000 Bitcoin in the year 2023. Is this something that's actually real? Is this possible, Crypto Kip? I do believe that it may, in fact, be possible, and we're going to look at some historic trends. And this is an insane trend, guys, that you got to see, you've got to acknowledge. People talk about the Bitcoin halving, people talk about the 4-year cycle, but what does all that mean, and what have the charts done for us in the past? Coming out of a brutal bear market from the previous bottoms. That's what I'm going to show you in today's video, and I'm going to try to show you guys why I do believe a $50,000 Bitcoin this year is possible. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss out on that, folks. Let's look at it, because right now the crypto markets are ripping. If you've been watching our channel, you know we talked about the $1 trillion market cap for crypto overall. There was an insane bounce of that we predicted exactly to the T on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. If you have been watching, you know exactly what we're talking about. But today, Bitcoin broke out. And over the last 7 days, guys, Bitcoin, which has a $500 billion market cap, broke out 12.67% over the last 7 days. Earlier today, it was even higher, and it was up above $25,000 for a moment today. Now, guys, if we break out above $25,000, $25,200 to be specific, I believe we have insane upside. Later tonight, we'll be doing a live stream with my partner on the channel, Maxi, at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, so check that out. But guys, let's look at this trend here, because crypto's obviously ripping. You know, Ethereum's up to 1,700. Things are looking good. Now, Crypto Kip, what's this insane trend that you're talking about? Well, let's just take a peek at it. Now, first off, what you got to look at, folks, is over here you're going to see that we have an insane golden cross. And what is a golden cross? It's when this daily moving average breaks above the other one. Excuse me, not daily moving average. When these large moving averages break overlap one another, the red line's going above the green line. That is a golden cross. With the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average are crossing right now, which is great to see towards the upside. But if you zoom out, which is what I want to do, let's look at this historic trend for Bitcoin. Now, the Bitcoin halving, how does that work? We all know that in March of 2024, roughly, Bitcoin halving begins. The reward received by the miners, when they solve a block, is cut in half. That's how it works. After that, you get a bull market. And that's exactly what you saw. Boom, Bitcoin halving and a bull market last year. Now, let's go back to 2017 and then 2018. So we had a bull market that went through 2017, crashed into 2018, and then exactly about a year later, it hit bottom. And what happened from the bottom? Well, here's the trend that I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. From the bottom of 2018, okay, and the bottom of Bitcoin in 2018 to just the most local top that it kind of stopped at, let's say. And then this is 6 months later. So from December of 2018 to June of 2019, Bitcoin rallied 340%. Well, 350%. 350% gains for Bitcoin from the bottom. Is that possible again, guys? Absolutely. It is absolutely possible again. And a lot of people are starting to talk about it. And guys, frankly, this 340% gain right here, it could have potentially kept going. But what happened is the pandemic right here. That's what this big red wick is. And we shattered downward. And that was the pandemic. It was a black swan event. There's always a chance for black swan events, guys. So, this is not financial advice, but keep in mind there is always an opportunity for black swan events. That's what happened here. But this was a 350% gain. Is this possible, guys? Absolutely. Two reasons why. One, we've seen it before. Two, you look at this breakout that we have right here. If Bitcoin can truly form this golden cross, and this red line can continue to break out above the green line, and even this red line can cross above the blue line, that would be spectacular to see. That would be insanely bullish. Guys, if we break out past $25,200, Bitcoin could continue this trend upward and just have an insane recovery, off of the bottom. And if you want to mimic a 350% gain from the current price, guys, if we had a 350% gain, that would bring us back to all-time highs. And is that something that's possible before the end of the year? Well, remember, I mean, look at how wide, this box is. You're talking 6 months, right? Boom, about 6 months. Well, 6 months here, could we actually get to a $50,000 Bitcoin in the next 6 months? Well, if you look at the bottom, guys, yeah, I mean, you could take it out to July. It's certainly possible, guys. Now, I do think, I'm going to get conservative. Yeah, conservative at a $50,000 Bitcoin. Sounds crazy, but honestly, I mean, I don't think we get to all-time highs this year, but I think we kind of try to test, some of these areas right here. Don't be surprised, guys, if from the bottom back at the peak fear for the FTX collapse, if we get a 200% rally from that bottom and we get to $50,000 this year, I wouldn't be surprised at all, guys. You look at some of the historic gains month over month for Bitcoin. There are times, guys, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green months in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green months in a row for Bitcoin. Guys, it can totally happen. And so far, January is green. February's looking green. March could certainly be green. And especially as the Fed starts to pivot, as they have been battling inflation and they start to get more dovish and we start to eventually lower the interest rates, Bitcoin could go on a rally to the likes of which we have not seen yet, considering there's institutional investors. This is part of the trend too. Institutions are getting into crypto. Regulations coming. The trend is your friend, guys, and it is looking really, really good. At the end of the day, we know Bitcoin's cheap. We know there's a lot of upside. And guys, really, in the next bull market, do not be surprised to see well over $100,000 Bitcoin, possibly even a $200,000 to $400,000 Bitcoin in the next bull market if the trend stays true. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. When we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away a loaded lion to one lucky subscriber. Follow us on _Crypto Report on Twitter to enter this giveaway. And if you're a member on our channel, we have an additional 10 entries for every month you're a member. All you got to do is go to our page and join right here. We also have a link in the description down below. And join us, join our private Discord, have some fun with the Crypto Report community, and let's get ready for this bull market, guys, because the trend is your friend, and we're not even in the bull market yet. A lot of upward gains to be had, folks. A lot of money on the table. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. See ya.